Is he hit up there?
The
Hey.
guy that's right there, yeah.
He's hit? Okay. I don't see a red rag on him.
He's got it. I think it's just at the angle that you're at right now.
Okay. Good shot. I think we should start climbing up or something.
We're your own guy. Hey!
Friendly fire!
Shit. Yeah, and what's new? They're healing. Fuck.
I'll just sit there and like hold your hand for 20 seconds.
He's hit.
Yo, yeah. Yo, man, there's a guy right there, like right up on us.
There's a dead guy like right next to a fucking active player.
Unloading into us right in front of us.
Right next to a fucking dead guy.
Check our front, He's right in front of us.
You got one. Hit. Good shooting. I got a couple too. Heads up. Hey, if you bleed out, you can head down there. I don't think we can get you. Shit. There's one. Fuck.
That man.
Fuck. Reload.
Hell. Support.
There he fucking is.
we're taking shit right now.
Heavy fire. Don't shoot me from behind, I swear to God. If you want to try making a run, we can try to cover you. It's up to you. Get into the town. That would help.
Where are you?
I don't fucking know. I guess we're on our own.
I think you're all still down at like spawn, like taking shots.
I don't know. Hey, do you got over this way?
I guess
I'm gonna keep watching this way.
that's pretty much where
Okay, thank you. Oh, dead plant.
we got one going up to medic, the guy over there.
Whereabouts? Fuck, hit, hit, hit.
Ah, right in the ass.